So what's up guys, it's Josh here. If you have been following this particular channel, you know we give you latest update on what is happening in the crypto mining space. Now I always emphasize on the need for you to subscribe to this channel so that you get updates as the comes by. I keep posting it. You can call me Josh, the crypto mining master. Now for today, the OpenEX mining has stopped. The mining has stopped. You cannot go and link your wallet address. Now before we talk about the linking of the wallet address, I just want us to look at this the latest version of the OpenEX app. A lot of persons have been leaving me a lot of comments on the channel, so we're going to be looking at how some of the tips that can be helpful for you to complete this particular app the mission, and ensure that you have updated your app to the latest version. If you click on settings, you see that we are in version 1.05. Some persons are still on the old version. Ensure you update to the latest version of the app. And they have also added, for those of you that have completed your missions, you can now claim some airdrop, the Aegis airdrop. You can see here that I'm bound to, in the next 11 minutes, I'm sorry for this, so sorry about that. Now you can see in the next 1 hour time I'll be coming here to claim the Aegis token, which is more like an incentive to those that have completed their task, alright, their mission. So let's look at this particular mission. Let's click on mission. So I'm just going to give some tips, because a lot of persons have been leaving me comment and they have been complaining. You can see I've done the country and email and wallet. I've done this. Then for the Twitter, when it comes to X, talking about X, now the first thing you have to know, you need to know is know your Twitter username. Right now I'm going to my X. I'm going to be showing you my username. By the time you click on profile, you click on the profile here, you are going to see this at the bottom is my username, not this at the top. So you need to know your Twitter name, because that's your X name. That is what the first thing they are going to ask you. Put your X name. So you're going to put you put, if there's a number or whatever is at that name, they must be joined together. Then you put that. Then you click on next. You click on next, and it tells you to copy those write-ups that contains some username or tags that has to do with the project. Then you just come over to X. You click on this plus sign. You click on post here. You post. Once you have post the what they ask you to post, you come over to this particular point. You click something like this, and you copy this. Once you copy this, then you go back to your OpenEX app. Then you paste it where they ask you to paste it. Then you click for them to check. Now the punchline is, you might be having these issues of sometimes you get some left, some will be left, some will be checked green, while others are still red. You just need to keep trying. All right, I did mine the first time, it failed. I did the second time, it failed. I just had to leave it for some couple of days, and I went back and I did it, and it worked. Then let's come to the wallet binding on Telegram. Please note, this same wallet you are binding here should be what you are going to be linking to your OpenEX, to your Satoshi app. Please, you should know this. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to copy this command @Aegis bot. Now if you look at this command, let's just go back to the command. Let's go back to this command. Let's copy this. If you are not on the right spot, you cannot bind. You don't need to know this. When you keep trying this on various Telegram handle bots telling you to bind, you have to be careful. Some of them are not legit. All right, some of them, you see, they are scam. they will tell you to add up your password phrase. So once you click on the search, which is this, and you type this particular word, let's use this one for instance, because I've gotten a lot of them that are scam, what I was trying to, that are not legit. Like this, for instance, this is the original one. Okay, now I just want to open the write-up. You're going to see everything you see here has to do with the project. You can see all the write-ups is attached. All the written here has to do with the project. So you need to ensure that you copy your wallet address and your hash code. Okay, this is your hash code. This is the hash code here. You have to ensure you copy it. Your wallet ends here, then you copy your hash code. And if you are on the right spot, on the right boat, you are definitely going to bind your address. You're going to definitely be able to bind it, but you have to be on the right place. All right, because you can see what I'm having here. Some of them are already claiming. You can see this is about, we're having about 5 different boats, and if you are not on the right boat, you will not be able to bind. So that is for that. Then let's go to binding of wallet on our OpenEX. Okay, so you just click. How do you bind? You just click on this, me, then you're going to click on this particular area, right? You click on it, then it brings you here. You click on OpenEX. OEX, you click on OEX. Now you see link wallet address. Okay, now for those that are just joining the project, you might be asked to create an asset password. An asset password is what you are going to be using when you want to transfer or withdraw. So I'm going to go to my MetaMask to copy my wallet address. All right, so I'll go to my MetaMask. I already have my asset password because I mined Core. Core was the first project on the app, and this particular project is the second. We already have that of BitGet already going on, and the other one, which is G. So I mined Core. I already have my asset password, which I have set. So if you are new, you will have to set your asset password. So for this, I'm going to be using my account 2. My account 2 was what I used to bind on Telegram. That's why I said, remember, I used this my account 2 to bind on Telegram, but that was not what I used for Core. I used account 1. So I just click on link. Now they are going to be asking for face verification. All right, so I'm going to input my asset password. So once you have input your asset password, they will click on bind. They are going to send a code to your email. So I'm going to my email to get the. So they did not send the code, so I have to click on resend. So I go to my email to see if they are going to be sending the code. No code is fast coming, so I just have to wait for my code. All right, I've been waiting for the code to confirm my wallet binding, but I'm still here to get the code. So these are just the processes of how you bind your wallet, but don't forget, save your access password, because if you misplace it, you might not be able to transfer your funds, and maybe you might find it difficult in doing that. So ensure you save your asset password. Like for me, I already have my saved, so I requested for a code for me to be able to link or bind my wallet. I've requested for the code like 5 times. I've not gotten any code. All right, I've not gotten any code. I guess maybe it's because of the system. So that is how you simply bind your wallet. So there might be some itches here and there, since the traffic is kind of very high, everybody's trying to bind. So that is how you bind. So ensure you subscribe to this channel so that you get more updates. Once again, my name is Josh, the crypto mining update master. So ensure you subscribe. See you when there's another update. Bye.